Om Sai Ram to all the Baba lovers out there. How you all are doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with Baba's readings as and when I post. And I know you'll be waiting for the stories, but I will come back with my stories soon. I'm just little occupied with a lot of, my classes and everything going on. But I shall bring the stories as of now. We will just work with the cards. Okay, now this card which has come is manifestations. When it says manifestations, what do we know when we see about it is basic. Can you see here? It is as if Baba is, giving you the hand, and Baba is just wanting you to bring your hand in front of him. If you bring your hand in front of him, I am sure he is going to help you and he is going to fulfill the wish that you want. But the hand should be yours. He can show you the path, but again, you need to come to him and ask him. That is how he will help you in your manifestation. Sometimes help is at hand. Baba comes in lot of forms, but do we understand that form and do we help him or do we accept him? That is where lays the main fact. Sometimes we just feel that everything is not going the way we want, everything is just going way back, and we just think why it is happening to us. But actually speaking, at that point of time, Baba must be there nearby, but Baba must be waiting that you ask him for the help. You tell him, Baba, come and help me, and the moment you ask him, he just comes and he helps you. And you will be shocked that when this man was seeing me suffering so much, why is it that he didn't come so long? Basically because he wants you to realize that you have to call him. Everything is not readily available, because then we will not value what we have. So Baba does it. So manifest your desires. Whatever help you seek to him, ask him, and I'm sure he will help you. See the card which came next, he will help you. Basically, maybe whatever this manifestation or help you're looking at this point of time is related to your work, your business, your career, whatever it is, but it's everything related to your financial terms, and that is where it is troubling you. So Baba is telling, ask me for the help and I will definitely help you. I will definitely give you what you're asking, and you will be happy, because when you ask me, ask and it shall be given. But with, as usual, what I say, Shraddha and Saburi, with faith and with patience. Ask him, he will give you, but have the patience and have the faith on him that he is going to give you. He will give it to you very soon. As usual, Thursday, feed stray dogs. Don't forget that I keep telling every Thursday. So feed someone, feed a stray animal, and I'm sure Baba will bless you multiple folds. Om Sai Ram.